Okay, I think people are starting to watch. Hi Darwin, how are you? Hi Lakshika, I know it's you. Hi Gokul, how are you? I'm good. How are you? Hi Yoga, my 2020 finalist of Mr. Heat category. Yeah. I'm just waiting for a few more to come in and then we can start. Hello, my official Mua, Mr. Rudradevan. How are you? So I think more are coming in. That's sweet. Hi, Prema. I can see you. How are you all? Good, Prema. How are you? Next. Anyone still in? I'm waiting. Hi, Miss Sunita. My Mrs. Hit 2018. How are you? Doing good? My first runner-up of Mr. Hit 2018. Good. Anyone else? Hi Kasturi, my first runner-up of Miss Hit Penang 2019. Very recent queen is in. Good, Devan. Thank you for joining me. Thank you everyone for joining my live. At this moment, it's 5 p.m. and it's like tea break for you all. So how things going on? How's the lockdown? How's COVID-19? Stay safe. Stay wonderful. Stay blessed. Okay, I have about like 14 of you. Good, Prema. Happy to hear that. Anyone else? I'm doing very good, Lakshika. I'm still in Penang, don't worry. Good, Sunita. Happy to hear that. Stay safe. Stay wonderful. Hi, my Mrs. Hit Johor 2019 champion, Miss Tila is with us today. Thank you. Thank you, Raghav. I'm doing good as well. Anyone else? 15 of you in. So I'm just waiting for a few more of you to join. And then we can start our live today. My friend Lingam is in. Thank you, Lingam, for the like. Thank you. Waiting to see you on Yoga. Yes, me too, Yoga. It have been like a few months. I didn't see all of you. I can see Kasturi in. Hi, Kasturi. My Mrs. Hit Johor, most gorgeous subtitle holder. I think my memory power is still good to remember all the subtitles and main titles. So shall we move on? Hi Kasturi. Hi Lingam, how are you? Hi, my queen, Vicky Rao from Singapore. How are you? Miss you a lot, Kasturi. Soon I'll be in Johor, hopefully. How are you, Vicky? How's Singapore? Stay safe. I'm watching the news every day. Anyone else? Okay, I think I'll wait another 1 or 2 minutes and then we will start. Anyone else? Please say hi first. I'm preparing myself as well. Why? Wow, so angry, Raghav. Okay. Thank you for the love, Yoga. I can see that. Okay, can we start? Can you hear my voice clearly, guys? Can anyone please? I'm doing very good, Vicky. I'm doing very good. Oh, so nice of you to say Guru. I'm still in a learning process. Happy to work with you and more events to come, and hope to see you again and again with us in all our events. Thank you for supporting us, Vicky Rao from Singapore, our queen as well. Can you? Very clear. Okay, thank you, Devan. Thank you, Yoga. Okay. Hi, Lingam. I'm doing very good, Lingam. Thank you, Lakshika. Okay, Sunita. Okay, shall we start? I think I don't want to waste my time. It's already 5:05. Okay, Tila, thank you. Okay, Ramesh Rajendran from Harry International Talent. You all know me very well before this. Soon. Yes, Raghav, I'm inside the car. I have no choice because my house, the coverage is quite bad, and I don't want to, risk myself with the situation like that. I don't want my line to break, and I don't want to keep you all waiting. So it's okay. I'm fine. Okay. Happy to see all of you giving a lot of compliments. Ramesh Rajendran here. Born in Penang, raised in Penang, completed my studies in Penang as well. Higher education from University Science Malaysia. I completed my degree there. And then slowly, within 6 months, I got an offer to do my KPLI, that is teaching diploma. I enrolled myself in Maktab Perguruan Ilmu Khas, and then I got posted to Shah Alam. Hi Hema, how are you? My first runner-up of Bollywood Queen 2019. Hi Angel, my champion of Bollywood Queen 2019. How are you, Angel? I saw your live yesterday. Hi Hema, how are you? And then I'm still in KL, but half Penang, half KL. Done with my education. Working experience, I think most of you know who am I. I'm a school teacher. Okay. Who was Ramesh before Harry International Talent? Okay, where was he? What was he doing? Okay. I started my career into media as a dancer. Dancer? Yes, dancer. I was attached to Era Dancers. I'm good, Angel. Thank you. I was with them for almost 3 years. And I did a lot of live shows, telemovies, stage shows. So being a dancer, you need a lot of patience as well, your time management. And then my biggest achievement during my career as a dancer, I'm a Malaysian champion in Atam Norwage 2007. Represented Malaysia for Atam Norwage International. Competed along with Singapore, India, Mauritius, and also Sri Lanka. So from Malaysia, 2 teams went, and I was the group leader of Extreme Dancers. I achieved my international title during that present time. If you all can go to YouTube, you can search for Extreme Dancers. I was just a consolation winner, which was extremely good for me. Didn't break my heart. It was a motivation for me to keep going till the year of 2016, when Harry International Talent started to build their step in this modeling era. Okay, how I came into Harry International Talent. Interesting. You all know Miss Tila? Miss Tila? Okay. She's my sister. She took me in. She wanted a dancer for their grand finale. Okay, it was Dr. Shania's year, 2017. Yes, Shania, your crowning year. I did audio launch for an international India movie during that pageantry year. Pottu launch. It's Pottu movie. Namita, Ineya, Shushti, Bharat. Okay, that was the cast in that movie, and 3 main heroines along with the director was there at Pearlview, KL. My journey started with them as dancer, and then slowly the following month it was Miss Hit Penang, held in Penang. I was the audio manager. I was in charge for audio. At the same time, I was the co-coordinator helping Miss Tila. And then came in Miss Hit Johor, Mr. Hit KL, and Mrs. Hit. I was still with audio department, helping Miss Tila, helping Mr. Harry, Guna. So this was the beginning team. Nothing much. So it was actually a very small group. We started slowly. We started as a group, and then we move on with a lot of platforms. And brought a lot of beauty queens. Then came in 2018, a year full of challenges for us. What are the challenges I went through? Okay, I was promoted as Harry International Talent Manager by Mr. Harry, directly dealing with models. Okay, directly dealing with models and also in charge for their trainings. Okay, you know all the hassles and all the challenges that we team has to go through with the newbies or the newcomers. We started with audition 2018, and that was the year of Sunita, Melanie, and Dharma, if I'm not mistaken, Dharma. We had our grand finale in TSR Hall. Hi boss, how are you? Good to see you. Hi Prakash, how are you? Thank you for the love. Thank you. And that was the year I started to choreograph for them directly for their grand finale. The changes that we took from Harry International is to give a good impact to the audience, and I think I justified along with my teammates, Miss Tila, Mr. Guna, boss, Mr. Harry, and also my cute papa, okay, Miss Jo, that is liaising with you at the moment. And we did extraordinary choreographing for the grand finale. And then 2018. Yes, you brought me in. You dragged me in, Akka. I'm proud to say that I'm a part of Harry International team. Still growing, still learning. 2018, another eye-opener for us. The whole team was wheelchair queen, along with our beautiful queen, Miss Sangeeta. It was a good collaboration. Even they are wheelchair bound, we still managed to crown them, to a platform, and also Starlight 2018. Personally, that was my eye opener to this modeling world, to models actually. Status, age, your background, your environment, your education background doesn't matter, but the dedication, the talent inside you, how you gonna work with it, how you gonna bring yourself out of the problems that you're facing every day, how you gonna manage your time, that is extremely important. They taught me that. Okay. Punctuality, I have to mention that at this present time, punctuality, I learned that from them. That was the starting point. I be on time 1 hour before an event, half an hour before an event or workshop. I will be there waiting for my students, waiting for my models to come, get that positive aura. And the grand finale was a great reach. Hi Maha, how are you? And it was a good starting point for 2019 actually. That was last year. Mr. Harry was like chasing us up and down for almost 3 hits. Hi Echo, how are you Echo? Hi Siva, how are you? Yeah, I'm sorry Angel, I missed that part. I'm sorry, I will try not to this thing. Okay, moving on. 2019 we started with Miss and Mrs. Hit. We had it in Grand Hall of TSR, and then at that same present time he was chasing us for Mr. and Mrs. Hit Penang, and at the same time Miss and Mrs. Hit Johor. So like all of us will be a week in KL, a week in Penang, a week in JB, and then move on KL, Penang, JB. And then successfully we did our 3 grand pageants with 3 different concepts. Hi Cikgu, how are you? My Mrs. Hit 2020 finalist. Yip Jitek, hi. Okay Angel, thank you. And then successfully we did the 3 events, and then we venture into Bollywood, because previously we were doing only online. That was the year Angel and Dia was crowned last year, 2019. Correct? Yeah, it was like 2 days event. We were running up and down, preparing, and then for the choreographing as well, we had a teacher who helped us. It was a great successful 4 events in the year of 2019. Okay, this is what happened through my life in Harry International. Okay, worked as judge for audition, for talent round, trainer, okay, and model. Being with newbies, crowning them, bringing them to the stage, motivating them, preparing for them, prepared everything for them. And my current 2020 batch, I mean my newbies, due to lockdown, they had to, hi Manju, had to lockdown, and still we didn't stop there. We are doing online coaching and also online videos for them in order to keep them occupied. Hi Kimi, there, this is my wheelchair champion 2018. Hi Kimi, how are you? A good friend of mine still with us. Thank you Kimi. Back to 2020, this year, even though it's lockdown, we are still planning and we are still working out for you all guys. Don't worry, okay, stay with us, be safe. No, anything, communicate with us, be positive. Miss you so much Kimi, miss you so much. What made me to venture into a trainer? Okay, you can ask questions guys, I can explain, I can now share my knowledge. 2018, as I told you, my wheelchair was an eye-opener for me. Slowly I went into a lot of Googling, a lot of YouTubes, getting informations about pageantry, about modeling. I know, equip myself so that I can give a proper training for my models. And then with the blessing of God and also with the help of Harry International, Mr. Harry, I managed to complete my certificate in catwalk and also ramp walk. I can proudly say I am one of the certified trainer. Still helping all my models, proudly standing beside them, holding their hands till today, along with my kings and queens, doing a great job, events. Exactly, Kimi, being a trainer makes me happy because I am a teacher inside me. So everyone that come into Harry International as model are my babies. I treat them as babies. Okay, from the way they wear their heels, their shoes, the way they communicate, the way they present themselves, the way they talk, everything comes into account. I make sure every single step that they put in gives a glory in their life, in their grand stage. I don't care whether they are crowned as champion, runner-up, subtitle holders or ambassador. For me, as a trainer, I am happy to see them walking gracefully on that stage. It's more than enough. I think Kasturi, you will admit that. Seeing their transformation from a caterpillar into a beautiful butterfly, walking proudly, giving a good speech confidently, without thinking of winning, losing. That is the happiest, greatest moment. Thank you. I think Mr. Dragon is with us. Thank you so much, Mr. Dragon. Thank you. He is one of our official sponsor, Rentak Sejuta, our online media. Thank you, Kimi. And I think we did the best extraordinary show during your wheelchair grand finale in Starlight, along with the beautiful ladies from Sabah, Penang, Malacca, Johor, and also from few homes, if I'm not mistaken, along with our beautiful pageant director. Correct, Kimi? Moving on, seeing them for the past 5 years walking. Because of you, I won the catwalk title. Yes, it is the main discipline for a model to walk properly on the stage. Whether you're holding a subtitle of best catwalk, gorgeous, any title, to be a model, the basic walk should be there. I make sure. Hi Loli, How are you? Thank you for the love, Loli. And then the best part, I will make sure every one of them have a proper walk, have their signature walk without thinking. Hi Dia, how are you? Hi Andy. Thank you Dia. My Bollywood champion. And the best part, in my class of batch, I will have a good, excellent student. Some will be moderate. Hi Malini, how are you? My missus, 2018 runner-up, most talented, subtitle holder. Thank you. I think someone is promoting me. Good. Okay, thank you. Okay, moving on. Hi Shima, how are you? Good to see you. Shima was my last year queen. Catwalk and ramp walk, signature walk for them. Make them walk properly, talk confidently. Okay, to make sure that I be a good, proper Sunita. Okay, promoting. Hi Abhishek, my Mr. Hit Penang champion. How are you? Moving on. To make sure that I was equipped well in the walk, in the catwalk and also ramp walk, I enroll myself with an agency to learn a proper choreographing, a proper walk, and also a proper way to teach variety of choreographing. Motivation till the grand finale, yes. And you forgot all the scoldings you all got. Besides walking, your confidence in talking. Hi Lisa Mary, how are you? My sponsor. Hi Gokul. Knocked your head. And then my sponsor, Miss Lisa, how are you? Thank you for the love. And I don't really scold anyone directly, but when I get angry, okay, that's it. Hello Lisa. Thank you Gokul. I treat all my models as my family member, as my brothers, as my sisters. Okay, I don't think of their status. For my Mrs. category, some of them might be single, some single mothers, divorcees, broken family. So as a trainer, as a motivator deep inside, it is my duty to bring the best talent from them to the grand stage. Share a lot of things personally, their cries. Thank you Dia. Thank you so much, great trainer. When they say they want to have personal class, I will try to make a proper adjustment to my schedule and then be with them from morning till the end of the session, and I don't commit with any other. Thank you. Waiting to see you this year, Miss Lisa. Waiting to see you. Okay, I'll make sure I don't have any other appointments. I don't fix any other work when I am with my models. When I want to teach, when I want to coach, I make sure nothing disturbs me. Personally, I don't bring my personal emotion, my personal problem, my family problem, my working problem inside studio or wherever they are. I will put myself 100% with them, with care, with love. Now scold them to the maximum, yes, I agree. But I always have a policy before their grand finale. A few hours I will ask sorry, just to make the best on the stage without fear. What else you want to know? You can ask. And then 2019 was a good start for me. After qualified as a trainer, slowly a great friend of mine, Mr. Devan, who is a famous MUA and also our official MUA during our Mr., Miss and Mrs. Hit Malaysia, approached and offered a discussion on conceptual makeup, and he wanted a model. I closed my eyes, I blindly agreed. Thank you, Miss Lisa. Thank you, Eko. Thank you Abhishek. I blindly met him. We had a long discussion. Yeah, good scolding. Thank you, Sunita. Okay, don't keep that in your heart. Okay, delete. And slowly, after doing a lot of homeworks, hi Loli, how are you? I'm doing good. Stay safe, Loli. Happy to see you. Thank you for all the loves, guys. It's coming in. I think Lingesh is in. Hi Lingesh, my Mrs. Hit 2020 finalist. And then I started working with him along with Mr. Harry as my photographer, as my editor. We did a lot of beautiful shots. Okay, you might be asking. Thank you so much, Shima. I think I still remember the event that we attended with Mr. Harry along with Guna to Ipoh for our Mrs. Universe India in Ipoh for our wheelchair pageant director. It was a good experience being with you also. Actually, Shima started as runway model. I even coached runway models as well. Okay, before moving to runway models, let me finish about Devan. Conceptual photo shoot. Hi Vilo, how are you? How's lockdown? Yes, I'm stuck in Penang. Can't wait. Hi Pones, how are you? Are you safe? My Miss Hit KL 2020 finalist. She's currently locked down in Singapore. Hope you're safe with your brother. Send my regards to him as well. Okay. Hi Lingesh, how are you? Good. And we slowly started with a few photo shoots, and successfully I have done a few beautiful shots with collaboration of Mr. Rudradevan, Tamira, the touch, the flawless touch that created a magical and also beautiful look of myself with the camera captures of Harry International. Hi Anu, how are you? Anuri Raj, my first runner-up of a Miss Hit Malaysia. Thank you. I can see a lot of you watching. What else? Yeah, the best moment. Yes, exactly. We went till the Ipoh RNR, and then we attended the event. Was a good experience for us. Hi Anna, nice to meet you. Thank you Ponies. Hope to see you soon after the lockdown. I'm waiting to see all my newbies, 2020 finalists. Okay, stay safe, stay tuned. Hi Anu, how are you? Doing good? How's KL? And then we have a few ventures. Miss you too Anu, miss you. Yeah. Call me. I will call you below. But currently the lockdown is quite strict. I'm in mainland and you are in island. I will plan my day with you one day. Sure. We did, and we are in a few plans of doing outdoor as well. Thank you Rudra Devan. Okay. Hit member. Yes, exactly. It's a good collaboration. We are waiting to see more of your beautiful touch. Thank you, Kasturi, for all the love. Mwah. Going into photo shoots, being a model, being a trainer, and also my full time as a teacher is not easy. Time management, your self discipline is very important. Okay, sure. I am waiting your birthday treat for me. Thank you, Raghav. Hope to see you one day. I'm waiting. Actually, we had a plan of doing outdoor photo shoot in conceptual touch, but due to lockdown, had to stop. And you will be seeing us with more of his beautiful touch. Hello, Joel. How are you? Wonderful, my Mr. Heat Penang. How are you? Happy to see you, Joel. I hope you're doing good. How's typing? Soon. Yes, Raghav. Yes. Okay. I think Harry International is giving a lot of opportunity for all of you. And then before that, my time management in between my career and also my passion is 12 hours in school, 12 hours in Harry Academy. I divide my time equally, systematically, and also equally for all. I don't bring in my personal problems into any. I will try my level best to be with them, share with them. Okay, in my batch of 5 years, those who are like a bit lag out, I will go for a slow talk, motivate them. I will try to find out where is the mistake. Okay, where is the proper solution for them, a proper way to bring the inner confidence. Good, Joel. Happy to see you. It has been so long. Hope to see you one day. Inner strength. You have been offered to join other agency, but still staying with. Yes, exactly. Why? Okay, I started my journey in Harry International. Offers, yes, it is coming daily. Honestly, yes. From photo shoot, model trainer, personal class. But I think my heart, my soul is with Mr. Harry, Miss Tila, Guna, and also with all my kings and queens. I don't care. I think I am gaining my popularity. I am gaining my followers. And today I'm doing my live in front of all these beautiful models, supporters, friends, followers, and also sponsors, and my other pageantry queens. So why should I go other place? I'm happy here, boss. Don't worry. Okay. And you know that we are working as a family. You are a father for me. There is a sister. There is a little sister. Okay. A pillar. Supports everything up and down. I don't care. It's a family, and let's join together, hold together, grow together. Okay. Anything else you want to ask, guys? I'm waiting. Hello, Darwin. How are you? Doing good? Yes, Joel. Darwin was my 2018 Mr. Heat. Hope to see you soon, Darwin. It's a promise. How do I keep in touch with my models, whether they are queen? Hi, Dr. Shania. I saw your live just now. She was the first baby that we took in and crowned. Hi, Janet. How are you? My Mrs. Heat 2020 finalist. One of my close follower. Challenges, yes, Yoga. Nothing comes easy in life. Nothing comes easy in life. Okay, it is you and only you that has to face it. Whether it's a negative approach, positive approach, you are the only person that need to work out. Talk to reliable person. Okay, let me answer Mr. Harry's question. Yes, Shania, I still remember your hat flew to my feet during the promo video and you collected it gracefully. I still remember that, don't worry, your crowning moment. Till today, we are still holding and walking together in Harry International. Before pageantry and after pageantry, what is the mentality of the finalists? Okay, before final and after finals. Okay, before finals, everything. Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor. Hi, Janet. Okay, before finals, everything will be new to them. It is like a caterpillar from the egg. They don't know anything. Hi Indo, how are you? How's Johor? How's Singapore lockdown? Stay safe. And then slowly they started to learn things from us. We provide a lot of good opportunities, workshops, public relation workshops, even thank you, Shima. Thank you so much. The team building that we did, the CSR program that we provided them before the grand finale, actually is an eye-opener for all the newbies, for all the finalists, no matter from which batch they are. And still they are with us, boss. And after grand finale, yes, they have some moved out from us because of their positive career. Okay, they have other good offers, other good opportunities. Still, as Harry International team trainer, I pray the best for them all. No matter in which year you are in touch with us. Okay, challenges, definitely. Nothing comes easy, as I said. My newbies, especially your time management. Okay, for those who are traveling, I always will emphasize this: plan your time well. No last minute work. Okay, I think all my queens have heard this. Besides some other golden words I don't want to mention here. Keep it secret, guys. We have to maintain a proper time management, time planning. No, plan your schedule, plan your traveling. If you're staying far away, okay, you should know how to reach on time. Let's say if the workshop starts at 10, by 9:15, 9:30, have your breakfast, settle everything outside, come inside. Would you consider sharing your training skills with others who are interested to venture into modeling industries? How to become a successful trainer? Exactly, Sunita, I will, and I am, and I'll be happy to share my knowledge. And honestly, I am sharing every single day with everyone. That's why I'm asking their videos. And if you notice from their talent round videos, their catwalk videos, their ramp walk videos, their speech, no, this is considered as training for them as well. In case if they want to venture into training, they want to be a successful trainer, it will be a good platform. So they will have a few methods, ideas, knowledge, how to train the models, even though we are not meeting face to face. Do you agree with me, Sunita? Do you agree? Okay, thank you, Sunita. Exactly. because sharing is caring. Give unconditional love to everyone. In return, you will get back, not from the person that you are giving, but from someone else. As Mr. Harry asked just now, why you didn't leave Harry International and still sticking with us? So that is the reason. Every day, every moment, every single seconds, I'm getting all the loves from you all. So why should I leave? Why should I worry? Caring, loving. Okay. To be a successful trainer, as I said, your discipline, your time management, okay, your self-control. You should know how to control yourself, how to manage people, because in a batch, in a group, not everyone will be an excellent model. Okay, you have to really take into account your student, your model, their background, how they are, how they came in. Okay, during your lesson, during your presentation, during your coaching, indirectly you will get some idea. Who are they? What are they? Where are they? Though thinking of their size, height, color, race, put that aside. Okay, get the information of them. Start doing homework on them personally, individually. Okay, model A, model B, model C, model B, model E. I do that. Even it goes for my runway models as well. So I do homework on my models. What are their strengths? What are their weaknesses? What are they good at? What are they lacking? So this actually will enhance yourself as a trainer to know, to detect where to tackle them. So easily you can know, simply just go there. Okay, this is your problem, girl. Go. This is your problem, boy. Okay, adjust this. So you don't have to crack your head like thinking, okay, what should I do? Oh my God, I don't know how to handle them. But as I said, study your models individually first. While you're with them, share as much as possible and then focus on them. From there, you can and you will be a good trainer. You don't have to be stingy. You don't have to keep anything behind. Share. The more you share, the more knowledge you will get. Sometimes they might teach you. Sometimes they might share things. And some of my models are doing that. They are sharing good videos with me. Mr. Ramesh, can I use this? Is it possible if I use this video? So when they share videos like this, indirectly, it will help me to identify whether it is a correct, proper way to walk, to present themselves as a model. Anything else, guys? I think it's almost 6. Any other questions that you want to ask? For my newbies, 2020 finalists, I think you went through a few workshops. Okay, do all the homeworks properly. Send the videos of your catwalk and ramp walk to me. Don't forget that. Okay, especially pre-queens, because they have individual difference. They have different types of age group. Exactly, Janet, I have given you the tips just now. As I said, study your models first. Okay, get to know them personally. What are their strengths, weaknesses? Okay, where they are good at, where is their proper tuning channel? Okay, where can you work on this proper skill to enhance them as a model? Okay, okay, if I go category by category, Miss category, they are very young. Okay, that's why they are in the category of Miss young. Easily get distracted. They need a lot of motivations. a lot of strictly catwalk pre-queens. Yes, I'm coming to that. That's why every week I'm asking your videos, and then I'm correcting it day by day. Okay, from there you will know where is the mistake. Okay, which is the strongest leg, which is the weakest leg, which leg to go in first, which leg to go and stop. All this comes into account when you start learn about them. Okay, when it comes to Mrs. category, you should know how to handle them because they are adult, married, and they are how to say, they are strong in their own way. So to tackle them, you have another method. This is actually some of the tips that I can share with you. The proper way is video. I mean, giving your video, because we are not meeting every day for catwalk class, for your grooming class. So in order, video is the best way. When you walk individually, I will command, I will correct individually. I can't be coming to your house daily. No, it's not practical. So when you send your video, I will know how to adjust your walk, how to present, how to correct. Okay, hopefully I answered your question, Janet. Any other question, guys? I'm waiting. I have 1 more hour to go with you before I move on to my future plan, my advice for the newbies who want to venture into. Hi Shamila, how are you? My Mrs. Hit 2020 finalist. Doing good. Thank you. Happy to see you, Sham. Some of you might be asking what will be my future plan in Harry International. Okay, my future plan is to venture into international platform. I want to grow into international platform because even as a dancer, I touched my international level. So in this modeling career, it will be my goal to go, to achieve, to feel, to grow into international industry. Definitely. I hope along with my team, along with your support, we will reach to the international level. And I want to see all my queens, all my kings to be with us on that international platform one day. That is my wish, my prayers, my goal, my objective for the future plan. Okay, advice for the newbies. Okay, everyone would say I want to be a model. Okay, it's a hot cake industry at the moment. Any assistance required, please do not hesitate to ask me. So definitely, what the advice you would give for Mr. Hit 2020 to be a successful candidate? As I said, yoga, be yourself. Okay, to be a model is not easy. Self-discipline first thing, because when you walk in, hi Melvin, how are you? Good to see you, my Miss Hit Johor champion. Happy to see you, Melvin. Thank you so much to be with me today. Back to you, yoga. Okay, your self-discipline. Yourself need to be in a proper mentality to transform yourself. Okay, you can't be like the way you came in as a audition model. You need to transform yourself. You need to grow. Hi, I can see Rani. How are you? Thank you for the love, Rani. My Mrs. Hit Penang. Hi Rani, how are you? Good to see you. Thank you so much to be with me. Okay, moving on to you, yoga. Okay, transform yourself first. Okay, that needs a lot of discipline. a lot of workout, a lot of self-education, do a lot of homework. I'm doing good, Melvin. Thank you so much. Yoga, do a lot of research, do a lot of homework. Miss you, Cikgu. Thank you so much. Happy to see your DP with the sash. Okay, extremely happy worked with you, and still we are growing together. And don't take things for granted. Make yourself available to any critics. Accept the critic, make it a positive approach. Hi Devi, how are you? My Miss Hit 2020 finalist. How are you? How's the lockdown going on? Okay, take that into account, transform that into a positive aura, and try to grow. Don't keep that in your heart, no, thinking that I am not qualified. If you think like that, a Ramesh that is standing in front of you, I think will not exist. Yes, Melvin. What are your thoughts on the acceptance of pageantry in today's world? Acceptance, Melvin, it depends on the individual. Okay, I think it's a hot cake at the present time, pageantry, because you can see a lot of pageantry is coming in day by day, from local till international. Okay, that's why we can see a lot of queens and kings are taking place in this arena. Okay, acceptance is the support from the family, the support from their relatives, surroundings, no, friends. Be open, be brave, think of the positive way, the positive thoughts, the positive aura that you can get from a pageantry. Experience it, share it with others. So in that way, we can grow together without thinking whether it's an international platform, whether it's a local platform. It will enhance a lot of knowledge within us. Anything else, Melvin? I think you have a lot of experience. I think we shared a lot together as well. Okay, for the newbies venturing into modeling, seeing a lot of pageantries coming up, make sure the self-discipline is there. Thank you. My love, my care, my teaching, my coaching will be there for you all forever and ever. Don't worry. Okay, anything you can call me, PM me. No, I'll be there for you as a brother, as a friend, as a well-wisher. Okay, as your trainer, as your teacher. Don't worry. Any relationship you want to put in, I will be there to give my shoulder. Okay, for the newbies, okay, looking into all the models growing, I want to be a model, but make sure before you be a model, have the discipline in yourself, have time management, go for a proper workshop or agency, enroll yourself, groom yourself first. Don't simply accept any offers that comes into the way and then you regret lifelong. And don't now, sorry to use this word, don't act diva. Hi Lisa, how are you? Thank you so much, Lisa. What's your advice will be to those who won the title and for those who didn't? Okay, for those who already have title, use the title properly, use the title carefully, use the title well and grow. Okay, don't keep the title at home, put inside your cupboard, put inside your closet, and then dreaming of the opportunity will come to you. No, you already have a title. Use the title, grow with the title healthily. Okay, approach proper agencies, approach proper companies to grow yourself. For those who didn't win the title, use the experience that you have. Don't say I didn't win any title, so that means I'm not qualified to be a model. No, I was not a champion during my ATM Nurwage, so it doesn't break my heart, it doesn't break anything, it doesn't break my wings, it doesn't break my spirit. Slowly I ventured into the other part, and here I am. So use all the knowledge that you gain in a use all the knowledge that you gain during your pageantry workshops, and then grow using that. Don't think that winning a title is the what you call trademark to be a successful model. No, not all the crown holders are a successful models. Not all the subtitles holders are successful models. Without anything, you are not a model. Use whatever knowledge you have, grow, think positive, use the opportunities given. Hi Pushpa, how are you? I miss you, darling. How are you? One of my close friend, still in touch. We grow together now. Happy to see you. It's important to have qualification to be a beauty queen king. Okay, Melvin, qualification in terms of paper is not important. As I said, to be a model, you need to have your self-discipline. What is the point of you holding 10 degrees, 10 PhDs, and you're acting like diva in this field? It's not going to help you to grow. Be humble, share your knowledge, use your crown, use your title wisely, grow. Qualification in terms of paper, put it aside. Use that as a knowledge. Use that as a knowledge. Okay? Try to share things. Share all the positive auras. Share whatever you have with them. Then you see how it will help you enhance you as a model, you as a trainer, you as a human being. I always believe that. Hopefully I answered your question, Melvin. Thank you, Siva. Hopefully you are safe in Singapore. I hope to see you soon. Thank you, Shima. Yes, Shima. I think we shared a lot of things. Hi, Gauri. How are you? My Mrs. hit KL. Where are you now? Hope to see you soon, Raghav. Bitter truth and the real situation out there, 100%. Exactly, Raghav. Practically, this is what pageantry world is about. Nothing to hide, nothing to put inside a closet or a cupboard. Practically, you need to come out of the cocoon or pupa. Then only you can fly as a beautiful butterfly. Superb advice. Thank you, Rani. Even you also were a good friend, a good model, a good queen to me. Hope to see you soon, Siva. Stay safe. Yes, Lingesh, thank you. Hope to see you all soon, 2020 newbies. I think I haven't started my scolding yet. Hope to share a lot of good things with you, a lot of trainings, workshops, your CSR program. Yeah, Gauri, I know you are here, but I don't know where you are. Missing in action or most of the time. Hope to see you soon one day, Gauri. Okay? Happy to see you, Gauri. Thank you so much to be with me. Anything else, guys, you want to ask? Don't worry, I'm here to share. Advice for the newbies. Okay? As I said, we are waiting. Yes, I'm waiting to see you also. To see all of you again. Okay, it have been like almost 3 months. Which makes me happy to be in this line as a trainer. Okay, the happiest moment to see, to experience, is my successful babies grow. Yes, excited. I'm excited to see you also, Melvin. I think we worked together during our workshop, catwalk workshop. Hope to see you soon also for our grand finale. Only this corona is killing us. It will hopefully cure soon, and we will meet, hang, and celebrate the grand finale together. Seeing my babies, walking on the stage confidently, gracefully, seeing their transformation from nobody to somebody is the biggest achievement, biggest. No need to cry. No need to sweat, Janet. All of us are here to share, to teach, to coach, to give whatever we have without a limitation. Okay, back to my newbies. Okay, when I see them walking on the stage without fears, from nobody, from zero to a hero, is the biggest and happiest moment as a trainer, as a catwalk trainer, as a ramp walk trainer, as their coordinator, as their manager. That moment, I can just stand and see all the transformation, stunning walk, all the magical touch, magical walk, spells they will be giving. Proud, happy. For sure I won't cry, definitely, never ever. Okay, putting a crown on them, not putting a crown, it's nothing. How do you handle our community with lacking of interest in pageantry or with narrow-minded mentality? Thank you, Tila, for the question. Okay, as I said, we can't change the community, but we can change their mindset. Why modeling falls into a negative thought in the first place? Because the community thinks that if you are a model, you need to expose everything. Sorry to use these ladies. You are willing to expose everything. You are willing to do anything for any stage, any circumstances. No. Change that. When you go for a training, when you go for a teaching, when you coach, when the parents are there, when the family members are there, explain to them. That's what I'm doing. I think most of my missus will agree on this, as your husbands are my close friends, even during pageantry, after pageantry, before pageantry. Hi Jay, how are you? Rocking. Thank you, Jay. It's a blessing. Thank you. Hi Vasan, how are you? Stay safe, Vasan. Okay, narrow-minded mentality. Okay, how are you going to change that? How? Definitely, you have to take the first step. Hi Vasan, good to see you. Stay safe. Are you in Singapore or in Malaysia? Yes, Melvin. Before I move to Tila, hold on. For the narrow-minded mentality people, hi Pushpa, I'm doing good. Narrow-minded mentality, you be a good role model for them first. Okay, try to show a positive act. Try to show a positive what do you say lesson for them. Okay, make sure they don't think that if it's a female model they can do anything, they are willing to do anything. No, there are good things about model. They teach a lot of good things for the society. No, they do a lot of charities, they do a lot of good things for the community. Show that part to them, not the negative part. Okay, language, yes Melvin, I agree. English is an important language for any pageantry. That's why when I sit as a judge or sit as a pre-judge, language, English language will be the main concern for me. Reason, first, local will be the first platform for you to start or to grow into international. If you want to venture into international, you can't be using your mother tongue. Yes, mother tongue is important, I agree 100%, but for you to communicate with everyone in international level, you need to have a proper language which is known by everyone. Everyone can understand. So English will be a good medium, a good language for you to communicate, to share, not to express yourself into. Okay, language competition. Okay, so that's why when you do question and answer, I will try to make sure all our models answer the question in English. We don't use any translators. We try not to use that, because if they want to grow to international level, when they meet other races, when they mingle with other international models, they don't feel awkward. They simply can just walk, talk confidently and move on. I hope you agree with me, Melvin. I'm doing good, Pushpa. Yes, Tila, I hope it will be a good eye-opener for you as well. As a pageant regional director, Lakshika, what makes you unique, sir? I think you should know that, Lakshika. What makes me unique? Being myself, and I take critics positively. I transfer or transform that negative aura into a positive. Share my unconditional love to everyone. Share my knowledge with everyone. Make them happy. Okay, give good thoughts, good what do you say, good moment for them to cheer, to cherish lifelong, because pageantry is only about 6 months. After 6 months, it will be a memorable moment for you, so you can't get back. So that's why I will make sure that that time period I share everything with them equally, properly, so that it will be a good moment. Thank you so much, Rani. Yes, I saw your transformation. I think I achieved my KPI as a trainer, to train you as a model, and you are a good role model now. Thank you so much for tolerating all the critiques that given by myself, by Harry International, and proud to see you like this. Keep growing, keep rocking. Okay, Pushpa, Anne, you are giving a lot of good advice, which is most important to the models and their partner should know well. Okay, make sure you are clear about what you're gonna do. If you want to be a model, make sure your environment or your family members, your parents, your partner, your husband knows what you're gonna do. Make sure they are clear about your path, about your choice, about your career. Make sure they understand first. Don't come in, no, halfway you quit because of the pressure from your relationships. No. And sorry to say, most of you are doing that. Most of the models are doing that. All of a sudden, you will be like disappeared. You won't miss any action. You don't know where you will be. So the reason, okay, this particular person is not accepting me to be a model. It's not accepting me to be a icon. So before you venture into this, make sure they have a clear picture of what you're gonna do, what you're gonna be, how it's gonna be. Now bring them along, meet with the agency, okay, bring them for the events, show them. So once they have a clear picture, they have the confidence on you. They will automatically have confidence. So you don't have to worry about what the community gonna say, what the people around you gonna say, because the trust is already there after you show a clear, transparent picture to them. Thank you, Janet. Thank you so much. Yes, Melvin, thank you so much. Yeah, it's gonna be a year with me. Yeah, exactly. Thank you, Sunita. Any other question, guys? It's already 6:20. Anything you wanna ask? I think I have shared all my opinion, my thoughts, my knowledge, my good experience. I'm not going to say any bad experience, because I always will use that to correct myself, to improve myself. Maybe there is a mistake from my side. That's why this occurs. I will keep all the beautiful moments that we shared from day one till today. Any advice you want to ask, you can ask me. Any questions? God bless you, Rani. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Don't worry, okay? It's gonna be a blessing. It's gonna be a rocking. It's gonna be a stunning year for you. No worries. Thank you for all the loves. What is your greatest achievement? Okay, my greatest achievement, boss. I came in as a dancer into Harry International in the year 2016. I worked closely with Harry International as a coordinator, and then I grew myself as a trainer, and now I am a model. So I can say all these paths are my greatest achievement. And I am talking, giving a live talk, because I have achieved something in my life. And definitely I would thank you personally, boss. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's not enough to say thank you. You've been supporting all of us, including me, taking into account all the ideas, all the critics together to make sure that all of us grow. From nobody knows who is Ramesh before, but now They know me as a trainer, they know me as a model, they know me as a coach, they know me as a coordinator, they know me as manager. So everything is because of you, and that is my greatest achievement, boss. Yes, Melvin, I agree. Nowadays, everything would be a shortcut for them. If I can get a shortcut to be someone, definitely I will use that. That is the mentality of the current generation. Because they can't take the pressure, I think. Okay. As I said, nothing comes easy in life. Work for it. Work hard for it. Work smart for it. You should know where to go, how to go, and work properly for it. Have your discipline, have your positive mentality, and go for it. What's your best moment? Okay, my best moment will be all the grand finale in my pageantry throughout, seeing all my models walking gracefully from their first round to the evening gown, their suit round, looking into my choreographing with Miss Tila, what we have done personally would be my greatest moment. And seeing my babies transform into someone, to be a perfect model, to be a unique model on that stage, on that present night, is the greatest achievement. What would you say? I think the risk that we took in 2018 for the Mrs. category to walk from the main door was the best moment. And you were there along with Melanie, Malini, Gauri, Yesu. Okay. Sorry if I forgot anyone in the list. Pushpa. So I think when you walked, the LCD screen was screaming, the crowd was screaming. Hi Mary, how are you? Hi Darshini, how are you? Good to see you all. Thank you for being with me. Okay. What will be the challenges that I face during dealing with new models or newcomers? Okay, first of all, they take things for granted. They wanted everything easy. They want everything to be in front of them. They don't want to work hard. They don't want to search. They don't want to have the effort to go and find for knowledge. So that would be the greatest challenge for us as a trainer, as an agency, because we can't be giving everything personally. They have to have the willingness, the power, the mentality to learn, to search. That's why we would do a lot of CSR programs, a lot of team buildings, to bring the inner strength, to bring the mentality, the positive mentality, how to work with community, how to work with society, how to work with other races, how to go along with sponsors, how to promote ourselves as a model. So these are the things that they need to learn. I think we are giving that in advance, so that once they are out into the field, they know how to manage themselves. Anything else, guys? I think it's almost 6:25. Okay, transformation of a model. What would it be? Okay, the transformation will be your physical size, your appearance, your dressing sense, your confidence level, your approach. So all this comes into account when you want to be a model. Be ready to face all that. Okay, be ready to face all that. And have the mentality to change the situation. Go for a proper workout if you think you are in a big frame. Go on a healthy diet. Go on a proper coaching. Do a lot of research on the current situation of modeling, because modeling field is something that keeps changing from time to time. It's not gonna be the same forever. It's like a trending field. You need to cope with the current situation, with the current transformation, with the current changes. So you need to equip yourself, get yourself educated on that particular thing before you move into that step. Okay, anything else, guys? Anything else you want to ask? Hi Rishi, Maya. Thank you, Mary. Thank you. Best wishes. Thank you, Rani. A sweet coordinator and a very supportive one too. I think Nisha Malar, it's you. My first runner-up of Mrs. Hit Penang. Nice working with you. Lakshika, yes, it was a memorable moment. From day one, from your audition till your grand finale, I was there with our team. Your crowning moment, the credit goes to you, dear. Thank you so much, Puspa. Hope to see you soon. As I promised to you, we will go out soon after the lockdown. Yes, Gauri. Darshini, I'm doing very good. How you manage your time when handling your own profession and your job as a trainer during the pageantry? Yes. As I said just now, time management is very important. 12 hours for my profession, 12 hours for my passion. So during my time for profession, that is for my teaching, I don't bring in my pageantry work into. And same goes to my teaching job or my teaching work. I don't bring that into during my coaching period. No. I will plan my time well. If it needs me to travel Monday to Friday, that 5 days I will fully concentrate on my teaching. Friday after school till Sunday night, I will only concentrate on pageantry, so that I will have my equal time for both sides. If it needs me to travel, like last year 2019 was like mostly traveling KL, Penang, JB. What I did, I planned my time in advance, because I know this week I'll be in JB, next week I'll be in Penang. So I will plan everything in advance. Yes, you need a lot of sacrifice. Okay, you will be sleeping only like 3 to 4 hours because you'll be driving and you will be traveling. And then you have to get the stamina in order to coach, to train your models, because you can't be going there and then do yourself. No, you have to equip yourself properly, because they'll be waiting eagerly to see you. So you can't go and disappoint them. That is how I handle myself. I keep a track of my work in my logbook. Yes, manually I do that. With all the gadgets, no. I keep all my agendas, my calendars in my logbook. I have everything in advance in my planner. I will go according to that. This is how I plan, and I move on, and I do things to make sure it doesn't clash anywhere. and I don't fix any other appointment in between. If let's say they need me to be in JB for my catwalk training, I don't fix anything in the middle. It's only myself with my model at JB. There is no side dating, there is no side income job in between. My full focus will be there. Done, I will go back to my other. So this is how I plan, this is how I work, and I'm still growing and I'm still learning. Thank you, Nisha. I hope I answered your question. Dolly Sanjay says, keep rocking, sir. Thank you, Sanjay. I miss your Dole. Hope to see you soon. Thank you, Rani. Thank you, Mary. Thank you. Okay, Yoga. Have you disappointed with any judgments in finale whereby the title should be the candidate's speech should deserve, but the end different one? Just asked Anna because I know is your babies. I don't interfere in any judgments at all, Yoga. For me, everyone is equal. My 40 babies are my babies. Okay, at that present stage, what they are doing, what they are showcasting, what they are giving is their moment. My part as a trainer to be happy with their presentation. That's it. I don't think of what the judge is going to say, what the audience is going to say, what the judgment going to be. For me personally, all 40 babies that is walking on the grand stage is performing as a champion. Or not, they won't be walking there. They might be end up like halfway out, halfway gone. Yeah, it happens. A day before grand finale also some of them can't make it to the stage. So I don't feel disappointed with any judgment, and I honestly don't think judgment is gonna change any person's path. Use whatever you have, whatever you get, whatever is given, opportunity, knowledge, grow. Don't keep in your heart all the disappointments and stay in the cupboard or closet. Release it, move on, enjoy. The world is big. Use the platform well. Dare to take the challenge no matter what. Okay, I hope I answered your question. Yes, Rani, I agree. Accept the challenge. You should know how to transform yourself, how to present yourself, how to be in public, how to give the best of you. Okay, thank you, Darshini. Thank you, Nisha Maler. Sir, okay, transform a caterpillar into a butterfly is your greatest achievement in coordinating ladies from different types of people. Exactly, Janet. I always have that in my mind because all the newbies that I receive in Harry International, along with Mr. Harry, Miss Tila, Miss Joe, Mr. Guna, from the egg they transform into a caterpillar, and then we mold them till the grand finale stage. They fly like a butterfly. That's the routine that we are doing. We are giving, we are sharing with them. Thank you, Prema. I joke a lot with Prema because I know how Prema came in and how she transformed, and I am proud to say that I am happy to see you like this. Keep growing, keep rocking, Prema. Gokul, what do you think about 2019 male models finalists? Okay, I know who are they. From Gokul, from Vicky, and all the Taradlas that were with me. Brian, Karthik, okay? You all were extremely good models, performed very well, gave a tough competition, and happy to see all of you still with us. Keep growing, keep rocking. And Gokul, happy to see and say that we started our career as a dancer, and I know where you started from. Hope to see more of your growth, no matter what you're facing at the moment. Keep growing, brother. I want to see more on you, and I think you have a live soon with Harry International. I will be watching your live also. Okay, I hope I answered your question. Thank you, Nisha Maler. Yes, yeah, you know, Nisha teaches what will you do? Everything goes into your logbook, so that whenever you refer back, you know where to go and where you missed out. Okay, thank you, Loga. Love you too. Hope to see you. Yes, Melvin, please like. Okay, Mr. Harry is asking us to like Harry Flicks page and to get latest updates and videos. Please do that. Please like Harry Flicks page. Yes, being on the stage is already the greatest achievement, showcasing our progress throughout the entire competition. That is very moment to shine. Exactly, Melvin, I agree. I think we worked very well during our JB pageantry. From your first performance to your first round, and then your evening gown, followed by a question and answer. It was a great moment, to see all of you did very well. My Miss and Mrs. category. Thank you so much, Darshini. Happy to see you. I'm proud also. Okay. Yes, Prema. Yes. Yes, we have to thank Nivashan for being a good mentor with you during that time, 2019. What is your feedback about this live talk show? Do you think it's beneficial? My feedback, it's gonna be a good way at the moment with the lockdown situation for us, the current kings and queens, coordinators, managers, CEO, to share our experience with all the newbies. Indirectly, it will enhance their their interests. They are not lacked out with informations. Like sharing things with them will make them will enlighten them about this pageantry. Even though they are locked down, we are not meeting them, we are not providing workshops directly face to face. It will be another touch or another another good way to keep in touch with them. So I think my session today more or less will give a lot of information for the newbies, for the new finalists, 2020 finalists, how to go through, how to face the current situation. After the lockdown, what are you going to do? How are you going to equip yourself? How are you going to manage yourself? And then get ready for your grand finale. Thank you, Lakshika. You have been a great model to me also. Thank you, Darshini. Thank you, Echo. You have been a good teacher for me also. We shared a lot of good things together. Thank you, Rani. Yes, Janet, I will be waiting to see you on the grand stage soon. I haven't seen y'all for quite some time, along with our Mr., Miss, and also other misses. Hope to see y'all. Let's grow together, rock together, shine together in this millennium 2020. Thank you, Shima. God bless you also. Hope to see you soon. Hope to see you in our events. To our Harry International sponsors, thank you so much. Thank you for all the contributions you have given us to Mr. Harry. On behalf of him, I would like to keep supporting us. To my queens, be with us. To my newbies, stay with us. Now finish your grand finale. Make us proud. Make yourself proud. Okay? Any other questions? I have a few more minutes only with y'all. Anything else, guys? Yes, Yoga, you will make yourself proud. I want to see a good transformation on you soon. Use all the tips given. No? Try to come out with good transformation. After the lockdown, we will meet. Thank you for all the likes. Please like our Harry Flicks page. Share with all your friends. Share the knowledge with everyone. Thank you for the rose, Melvin. Thank you, Janet. Thank you so much. You have been with me all the time, Janet. Sharing a lot of things. Good. Thank you so much, Sunita. You are the best also. Hope to see you soon. Sure, Shima, I'm waiting. Anything else, guys? Hi, Kavita. How are you? What do you do in your free time? Wow. Okay, I do a lot of research on modeling. I go into YouTube's. I learn new choreographings. I don't waste time on unnecessary things. As my new models might need the current exposure. So preparing myself, prepare a proper way to handle them personally. That would be my best free time. That what I will be doing during my free time. And in between, if I get offers for my photo shoots with you and Mr. Devan, I will use it maximally. This is what I'm doing. I read a lot. In internet books. Okay, free times I go for movies once a while. Thank you, Gauri. All the best for you also. Stay safe. Wheelchair Queen. Okay, that was the greatest eye-opener, the greatest moment that Harry International went through, along with our pageant director Sangeeta Velu. A good opportunity for me personally, because I'm not going to say they are disabled. They are mentally strong. They gave a lot of inputs for me personally. They have a lot of hidden talents. Okay, when we give them a task, they do it 100%ly, thinking without thinking anything. The best moment that I would say during the talent round, they came out with creative talents, mind-blowing, speechless. Their grand finale decoration for the first round, we gave them a theme, a simple choreographing, yet it was a blast, and it was a big reach for Harry International, and also for Miss Sangeeta Velu. So hopefully soon or in the year coming, we will do another pageant for wheelchair. Please work on that, boss, because it will be a good opportunity for our models to witness them, to work with them, and it will be a good CSR program also for them. Yes, I think. Hi Kavita, thank you so much Kavita. How is KL? I'm locked down in Penang at the moment. But you've been a good friend for me till today. Be like this forever. Stay strong. Keep rocking, Kavita. When you gonna meet me after the lockdown? It's gonna end very soon, guys. Anything else you wish to ask? Hopefully I have covered everything for you all, from my queens, my existing queens, kings, my newbies, my runway models, my friends, my family. I'm not gonna say how long I'll be here in this field, but I will make sure I will give my best to whoever approaches directly or indirectly, and we will make them shine like star. Thank you to Harry International, Mr. Harry, Miss Tila, Joe, Papa, Guna, all my sponsors, my MUA, my parents especially, my siblings, my friends, whoever, whatever situation you are with me, giving motivation, supporting me. Keep doing that so that I can give more. Okay, Mr. Harris said due to MCO, a wheelchair might be postponed to next year. Hopefully, boss, we work on that. Okay, thank you, Kavita. Yes, exactly, Janet. It was 2018. Thank you, Pushpa. Hope to see you soon. You still owe me a coffee. Thank you, Nisha Malar. Any ideas of having a studio for modeling, training, and dance choreography in Penang? Not at the moment. Hopefully, if Mr. Harry has a plan to open, I will drop by like weekly or monthly to conduct classes for the models in Penang, maybe dance classes. I think Mr. Harry has to think about it. If he has that intention, hopefully it will work. Nisha, thank you, Prema. All the best to you. Actually, Prema is our regional director for Penang. Happy for you, Prema. Thank you for all the love. It's flying up and down. Thumbs up. Hopefully I didn't disappoint anyone. I shared to the max whatever I have. Any final question before I say thank you, guys? Thank you, Sunita. Hope to see you soon. Keep rocking, keep shining. Thank you, Rani. Keep rocking, keep shining. I want to see the best in you. And also, Nisha, I want to see the best in you. Okay? Keep inspiring others. Give good motivation to the new models. Maybe it will help them in future. Any other question, guys? Sorry if any of my words, any of my advice, or any of my statements hurts you. I didn't do it purposely. Okay, it is my personal thought. It is my humble advice, because when you get an opportunity, use it maximally. Don't take it for granted and no, just waste it like that. Okay, stay safe, Echo. Okay, I will be watching your live in a while. Your audience, I keep watching you. Okay, thanks for all the loves you're giving me. Thank you, Raghav. 7th July, yes, I will. I have your schedule. I will be there, Raghav. I will be watching yours as well. Okay, Kavita, stay safe. Okay, miss you a lot. Okay, we're gonna meet soon. Talking maybe, so keep talking. Singing, ayyo. No boss, singing is out of my... Dancing inside a car, it's gonna make a new crowd around. I don't want my neighbors to come and look what I'm doing. Okay, Naresh, how are you? My Mr. Hit finalist to 2020. Meet you soon. Yoga, stay safe. Take care. Okay, keep loving everyone. Rani, Janet. Okay, keep sharing. Okay, keep motivating me. Thank you. You be safe. I'm in Penang, Naresh. Don't worry. I'm with my family. So I'm eating daily. Nothing to be worried. I didn't see most of my 2020 finalists. It's a bit disappointing. Sing a song, ayyo, varade. I'm not good in singing, Tila. You know that. Dancing, yes. And I think you know about that. Yeah. Singing is out. Dancing, akapaka mas. I can do somersault, backflip, everything. Stay safe, Rani, Prema. Keep rocking, as I always will say. Okay, what else to say? I think one day we should go to studio and dance, not together. Tila, get ready. Okay, catch up with you soon, Raghav, during your live. Any more questions? Sing or hand posing? Good. Keep shining. Love you all. Stay blessed. Okay. Stay safe. Be happy. Sharing is caring. Okay, Rani? I think I have done my part for you. Anything else, guys? I have another few more minutes before I say goodbye. And thank you. Hope my 2-hour session didn't bore you all. Gave a good impact. Man karate, ayyo, varade. Exactly. Abhinayam only I can do. Okay, I did that just now. Nisha, play a song. Okay. Hope I have given you, Loga, a simple movement. It's okay, Loga. I have till I get ready soon. Yeah. It's time for me to say thank you. Thank you for the golden opportunity, Mr. Harry. Thank you, Harry International. Thank you to God. Thank you to my parents. Thank you for everyone who is traveling with me along with Harry International. Keep rocking. Keep loving everyone. Give your unconditional love to everyone. Try to motivate everyone so that they know what is the best in their life. Be the best in life and do good. Thank you so much. Love you all. Love you always. Vanakkam. Thank you.